Hello, in this video we show you how to replace the fuel filter on Renault Kadjar 1.5 DCI. This car has the 1.5 DCI engine with engine code K9K 656, but the procedure is the same for the K9K 657 and 872 engines. The fuel filter on this car is located underneath the car. It's located next to the fuel tank. It's located right there, just above this plastic cover. To get access to the fuel filter, first we need to remove this plastic cover, which is held by 3 bolts. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And now we have access to the fuel filter. There is a drain plug on this fuel filter that we need to turn anti-clockwise so that we drain all the fuel before removing the fuel filter. You can see the fuel started draining, so now we're going to wait for all the fuel to drain and then we're going to continue on. Once all the fuel drains, we're going to tighten the drain plug. Next, we're going to remove the fuel filter. To remove the fuel filter, we need to turn the fuel filter cap anti-clockwise. This is where we're going to turn it from. To do that, we're going to use socket size 32. I'm going to be using this socket along with an extension and a long ratchet so that I can make it easier to turn. Okay, we can see that the fuel filter cap is now loosened. Now we're going to remove it completely. We can see as we're loosening the fuel filter cap, there is still more fuel coming out, but we need to remove the fuel filter cap all the way and it will stop flowing out. And that's the fuel filter out. This is the new fuel filter that we're going to be replacing it with. This is the part number for it. We can see that the new fuel filter is coming with the fuel filter cap, so we're not going to be replacing on the fuel filter, but the whole thing. Now, before putting on the new fuel filter in its place, first make sure you lubricate the O-ring on the cap. Once the O-ring is lubricated with diesel, now we're going to put the fuel filter back in its place and tighten it. Once the fuel filter is replaced, next we need to prime the fuel system before being able to start the car. This car has an electric fuel pump in the fuel tank, so in order to prime the fuel system we need to turn the ignition on and off for about 10 times. When you turn the ignition on, you hear the electric supply pump starting to run. We can do that about 10 times, maybe 15 times, just in case. And when you turn the ignition on, just hold the ignition for about 5 seconds and then turn the ignition off again and on again, and like that. Like I said, turn the ignition on and off about 10 times to prime the system, and once the ignition is on, hold it for 5 seconds and then turn it off again. Once you do that, then you can start the car, and once you start the car, press the accelerator for a little bit, hold it for about at around 2,000 to 3,000 RPM for about 10 seconds, and then you can let go of the accelerator, and that's the fuel system primed. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.